Hello, dear brothers and sisters. Today, a very informative video regarding a story, regarding a lesson which we should learn, and we should not try these sort of things in our life. Now, why I am telling you that we should not try all these sort of things? Because I'm gonna share you the live example what has happened, how it has happened, and how the things really got changed up or how the things really got messed up. One of our clients, I'll just take your 1 minute hardly, had emailed us that I want to move away from my partner. My partner has become insane for me. He has become completely out of his mind. Wherever I go, he is after me. Whatever I do, I need to inform him. What I am wearing, that he needs to know. What I am gonna eat, he is gonna decide now. Although I do like this feeling, still it is too much for me. I want love of my person, my love, but not his insecurity. This was the exact word what she used, that she does not want insecurity of your or of her partner. Now, how the things really got messed up and what she did, I'm going to explain you, so that at least you should not do all that sort of things or all that sort of spells in your life. Even if you see the 100%, not 100%, 1000% positive results, you have been able to see a much more difference. So first of all, you would be needing a ginger, right? A brown color ginger is required. In some parts of the world there are white sort of gingers are also available, but we would be needing a brown color one. Then we would be needing a marker which is already with us, and we would be needing a stick. This is an ice cream stick. Dear brothers and sisters, watch it very carefully and don't practice it. Make sure that you share this video with your loved ones so that they also do not practice this powerful and 100% result oriented spell, which gives you 1,000,000% excessive results that you might not desire. Few days happiness might not filter into lifelong regret. So first of all, what would you do? Initially, she wanted to revamp her relationship. She wanted to make sure that her partner should be loyal. So what she did, she wrote his date of birth on this stick. For example, his date of birth was 12th of August 1984. This was his date of birth, that is her partner's date of birth. I hope everyone is able to see it properly. After that, what she did, she wrote her name. I would be not writing her real name, just fictitious name Julie. Right after that, what she did, just opposite to her name, she wrote his name Paul. I hope you are able to see it properly. Paul, and it was her name Julie, and she had written his date of birth on this ice cream stick which is with me. Now it's quite interesting what she did. She started reading this powerful spell which we had given in our one of videos. Let me little bit zoom it out. I hope everyone would be able to see it properly. Yes, it's Kafa Billahi Tarakal Minhul Lahum. Right? Kafa Billahi Tarakul Minhu Lahum. And whenever she used to get an opportunity, whenever she used to get time, she used to read these powerful words. Now the interesting part is that what she did while having tea, she was very fond of tea and she is still fond of tea. She mixed this ginger little bit into her tea. She did not ask him to eat anything. She did not ask him to do anything. He was more than 500 miles away from her for her certain official work. While once the tea was ready, she used to stir that tea with this stick like this, and used to think about her partner, that what does she want from him, what is her desire, how her partner should be. But unfortunately, she became so possessive that instead of a lover, she had started imagining him as a slave. Right? Once this turmeric powder, once this gingerbread was over, to her shock, for the next few days she was not able to see any difference, although there was certain improvement, but she was not sure whether that was due to this spell or it was quite natural. But after few days, when the things really messed up, when the things really turned down, because he started living with her, he started taking care of everything, she was miraculously happy, and she was not able to share her feelings with anyone, although her friends tried to ask her what she has done. However, her blissful nights had turned into her worst nightmares because of the obvious reasons, the kind of interruptions her boyfriend had started putting on her. Now this is quite a tough and an eye-opening lesson for us, that we should not make any person so possessive and so obsessed for us that whatever he or she does, his or her actions should reflect on us, or our actions should have a direct impact on him or her. If you have any doubt regarding this spell or regarding this ritual, you can call us on the number which is there on your screen, or you can drop a message as well. Till that moment, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.